Imagine this. You've been dreaming of transforming your home into a reflection of your unique style. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. You envision a space that not only meets your needs but also tells your story. However, as you stand at the threshold of this exciting journey, a crucial question looms. Should you embark on this adventure yourself or hire professionals? The stakes are high, and the decisions you make can impact not just your wallet, but also your time, safety, and satisfaction. Let's look into the world of DIY home improvement projects, exploring their 7 key benefits and drawbacks to help you navigate through this decision-making maze. Number 1. Cost savings. One of the most compelling reasons to tackle home improvements yourself is the potential to save a significant amount of money. By doing the labor on your own, you can reduce renovation costs dramatically. For example, a project that might cost $30,000 with professional help could drop to $15,000 or less if you take it on yourself. This financial flexibility allows you to invest in higher quality materials or even embark on additional projects, ultimately enhancing your living space without breaking the bank. Number 2. Flexibility and control. DIY projects offer you unparalleled freedom in scheduling and design choices. You can work at your own pace and adapt plans as needed. Setting specific times during the week for your projects can help maintain momentum without feeling overwhelmed by the workload. Having the power to choose colors, materials, and styles that resonate with your personal taste makes the journey not just a task, but an enjoyable exploration of creativity. Number 3. Creative freedom. Engaging in DIY home improvements allows for a level of creativity that may be limited when working with professionals. You have the opportunity to explore unique design ideas and experiment with different materials. Creating a mood board can help visualize your inspirations and refine your project ideas, ensuring that your space reflects who you truly are. Number 4. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a DIY project brings an extraordinary sense of pride. Knowing that you've transformed your space with your own hands can be deeply fulfilling. Celebrating your achievements, perhaps with a small gathering of friends and family, not only enhances this sense of accomplishment, but can also inspire others to embark on their own DIY journeys. Number 5. Time-consuming. While DIY projects can save money, they often require a significant time investment. Many homeowners find that their projects take longer than expected, especially if they're acquiring new skills along the way. Setting realistic timelines for each phase can help manage expectations and reduce frustration. Number 6. Limited skill set. Not every homeowner has all the skills required for complex tasks like electrical work or plumbing. It's vital to know your limits and recognize when professional help is necessary. Enrolling in local workshops or online courses can boost your confidence and prepare you for various tasks, but understanding when to call in experts is equally important. Number 7. Quality and safety concerns. A significant downside of DIY projects is the risk of subpar results or safety hazards if proper precautions aren't taken. Mistakes can lead to issues that compromise both the quality of your work and your safety. Researching best practices and using safety gear is essential to ensure that your DIY experience remains positive. Now, let's take a moment to consider the key advantages of taking the DIY route. Beyond cost savings, engaging in DIY projects allows you to learn new skills and gain confidence. As you tackle various tasks, be it painting, tiling, or building furniture, you discover talents you didn't know you had. This hands-on experience empowers you and fosters pride in your work while creating personalized spaces that truly feel like home. However, let's not ignore the common challenges associated with DIY renovations. Time commitment often becomes a hurdle as projects can stretch far beyond initial estimates. Many homeowners find themselves overwhelmed by the scale of their endeavors, particularly when juggling work or family commitments. It's essential to approach these projects with realistic timelines to mitigate stress. Another challenge lies in the specialized skills required for certain tasks. Research shows that approximately 30% of DIY projects end up needing professional assistance due to mistakes made during execution. It's crucial to assess your skill level honestly and seek help when necessary. To ensure a successful DIY project, start with some essential tips. Create a detailed plan outlining the scope of work and timeline before diving in. Establishing a realistic budget that includes all potential expenses will keep surprises at bay. Researching techniques through online tutorials can equip you with valuable knowledge, while investing in quality tools enhances efficiency and output. If you're new to DIY, Begin with smaller tasks to build confidence before attempting larger projects. Don't hesitate to ask for help from experienced friends or family members. Collaboration can lead to better outcomes while making the process enjoyable. Lastly, always prioritize safety by using protective gear and familiarizing yourself with proper tool handling techniques. Documenting your progress through photos not only tracks achievements, but serves as inspiration for future endeavors. Big home projects can significantly support your DIY journey by providing learning experiences that boost confidence. Homeowners who tackle larger renovations often feel empowered to take on smaller tasks afterward, fostering creativity and innovation along the way. So, as you stand at this crossroads, think about what path resonates with you most profoundly. Will you embrace the challenge of DIY home improvement, or will you opt for professional assistance? The choice is yours, but remember that each decision carries weight, both financially and emotionally. Before you dive into this adventure, consider visiting our site for invaluable resources that can elevate your DIY experience. With step-by-step guides, video tutorials, and community forums filled with fellow enthusiasts, we're here to help you turn your dreams into reality. Your journey awaits. What will you create next?